Hi guys. Yesterday I focused mostly on following up with our community of early contributors, touching base individually and letting everybody know what we're up to. Today I'll be finishing up with that a little bit for right now, and I've got a whole new slew of agreements that I've got to take care of, so I'll be focused on that today. See you tomorrow.
Hey everyone, me again. So what a day. Pushed out some outbounds to DAV Alliance candidates, and just want to say here, good job Alec for managing to nail down some prospects in the tier 1 companies. Also, a bit of an announcement, we finally had a great piece of coverage by a top publication. Forbes published an article with an interview with our CEO Noam Koppel, talking about the DAV Foundation and what it means to the autonomous vehicle industry. And it's a really well-written article, well-researched. The interview, I thought, went really well. And you guys should look it up online and have a read. Also lined up a whole bunch of calls this week and next for speaking with candidates for the DAV Alliance. And finally, also thinking about the something we're calling the DAV Ambassador Program. We'll give you more details after we've had a chance to ponder it a bit, and happy to share that with you when it's a little more ready for prime time. Anyway, that's it for me today, and I will talk to you guys soon.
Hey guys, so yesterday I created wireframes for a new DAV Alliance page and already received the designs for it today from Yuri. I discussed it with Alec, who is working closely with our Alliance members, and he raised some comments, so we will keep working on that and hopefully get it done soon. I also worked closely with our web developer Alex in the past few days on several design adjustments as we're uploading new pages. Today we released the careers page and we added a new menu item called About, where you can access it in several other places from there. And I also had a discussion with our R&D team regarding what's going to be the DAV SDK, which is really exciting. So as you know, we're working with Copter Express, a drone delivery company, on the first mission where DAV will come in. So we're working on how the interfaces will look and the behavior of this SDK. So very exciting again, and well, this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey there, Davers. So I am back from VHACS, the first ever hackathon at the Vatican, where I participated as a mentor and judge and had a lot of fun and met a lot of really cool people. Yesterday was a day of travel. I did get a chance to work on the KYC and whitelisting process, and I'm continuing that work today, working with our new general counsel and various team members. I also worked with Shachar on security for the project and with the entire R&D department, looking at the architecture of the DAV SDK and the DAV API and how they work together. An article came out about us in Forbes just a few minutes ago. I actually just finished reading it and I'm really excited about that, so please check it out. See you tomorrow for more.
Hi guys! So today, most of the day, I was reading through CVs that we received yesterday, like 10 to 20 CVs. I also talked to an interesting candidate. We continued to work on the Copter Express demo. We hope that in like 1 or 2 days, we're going to start the real integration with Copter Express. And we're closing in on the solution for the DDoS mitigation.
Today I did a deep dive into architecture of the solution with all the underlying infrastructure. The goal is to create a deployment script for continuous deployment, so we can release more often and more efficiently. So currently I'm evaluating infrastructure solutions that we can use in this particular task, and that's it for me for today.
Thanks, Anatoly. And bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. Yesterday I had my call with John and Kyle. The call went really well. John updated us that he outbounded to more than 30 prospects over the weekend, which is excellent. Actually, 3 MOUs were sent. 1 of them is signed. Woo! Another one is just to be just about to get signed as well, and the last one is at the company side, and they will send it back to us. So this is excellent numbers. All in all, I managed to add 17 new contacts to our list, 18 new emails, and 9 new companies. I just was on the phone today also with the Israeli Air Force Industries. I'm just trying to reach out to one of their members for a potential collaborations. I'm gonna meet him in next week. That's super exciting. And yeah, I did yoga this morning, which was excellent here at the office basement, which was nice. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here. So yesterday worked on some of the updates and copy adjustments for the KYC screening. Also worked on a good amount of analytics work for our paid marketing, making sure that we're producing content and pushing it out on the right channels across Facebook, Twitter, Google Network. Also made some new updates and adjustments to the website based off of some of the legal feedback we've been getting from our attorney. Today, did a good amount of work on the legal side as well, making some updates and adjustments, also some more work on the KYC content. Also spent a good amount of the day at a Blockchain Society meeting here in San Francisco with some really fantastic people, some top minds in the industry. Other than that, all good work. Just hustling as always and putting in the time. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hi guys. Today I'll start new page for our site DAV Alliance. This page about our partners. I'll make it in our new brand color, and I use our corporate imagery, icons, fonts and other elements our style. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.